Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
He's better at farting!
Your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Thank you, Sheriff.
I will stay in the hotel in my village. You will stay with my Uncle Topolino!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go!
Lightning McQueen, the famous race car. I'm being held here against my will, and I need you to call my team so they can come
Queen and Sally, park beneath the gate. K-I-S-S.
Me be jamming now, man.
Who be jamming now?
Thanks, guys. Guys, hey.
Think of this.
What? Whoa!
Here we go, second. This is impossible. That's what I'm talking.
Oh, right. Wooden brake locks. How could I forget? What with all the left.
Bonded. Where's me? Right behind. Put it in reverse now. Make
My way.
Right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad.
Wow, he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
Pardon me, young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Sure.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
About something to drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
Pit stop.
He stopped.
The race is only one lap.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot good excuse for...
I think I touched it.